Shamantaka Nambudri, a 10-year-old Bharatanatyam artist from Karnataka. Shamantaka has developed a deep passion for dance since the tender age of 3. His journey in Bharatanatyam commenced under the expert guidance of his mother, Vidushi Srimati Savita Hegde, and he delved into the realms of tabla and mridangam under the tutelage of his father, Dr. Gopalakrishna. Currently, Shamantaka is learning Bharatanatyam under the mentorship of Sri Atul Balu in Chennai. In addition to Bharatanatyam, Shamantaka is also immersed in the art of Yakshagana. Notably, he received widespread acclaim for his portrayal of Ganesha in Prasutapura Mahatme at the tender age of 8. Beyond performing arts, Shamantaka has also achieved accolades in professional skating as well. He has secured the first place in national level dance competition organized by Shrikanteshwara Kala Kendra, Bangalore, and received Balashri Award in the year 2024. We are really excited to present Shamantaka Nambudri in Tripurantara's Bhavana. Shamantaka, the stage is all yours. All the very best to you. Shamantaka will commence today's performance with a traditional Tisra Alaripu.
धिदाते तते तं 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 धिदाते तते ता तजं तरिता जं तरिजक तरिते तदिंगिनतुं तकत दिंगिनतुं तकदिकु तदिंगिनतुं तां Dirgurtaka dallangudaka ta dingilatum ta tei tei yum ta tam